Hi and welcome to Keegan's Music Corner. Today we're going to learn how to read the notes on the treble clef stave. I have my whiteboard here. You might like to get a piece of paper if you would like to join along. We're going to start with our stave. Now the stave is made up of 5 lines and 4 spaces. Now the treble clef also has another name. It's also called the G clef. Now that's because it starts on the G line. How you're going to draw it is you're going to start on your second line, do a circle up to the third line, down to the first line, up and over the top, down and flick. This is what we call a treble clef. Our 5 lines and 4 spaces, that's our stave. When talking about the notes on the treble clef, we start from the bottom and we work our way up to the top. We start with E, G, B, D, and F. Now we have a saying which goes with that, so it makes it nice and easy to remember. Every good boy deserves fruit. Now that's our 5 lines. Now we have 4 spaces in the middle. There's a very easy way to remember the spaces. It has a 4-letter word that it rhymes with, face. So our spaces are face. F, A, C, and E. So we have every good boy deserves fruit for our treble clef lines. And we have F, A, C, E for our treble clef spaces. That leaves you with E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. And just like our musical alphabet and our normal alphabet, they go up in order. So you can always start with A, B, C, D, E, and F. Now once you get to F, you restart at A. I hope that helps you read the notes on the treble clef stave a bit easier.